What's up YouTube? This is your man Big B Productions 100. I have a cool video for you guys tonight. Tonight in this short video, I will be going over this application called PopClip. Now this application has been around for some time. I've been using this application for a while. I actually done a review on this app back in the day, like when it first came out, but that was a while ago and it was a short review. But this application is so great, I wanted to do another review on it, just to show you guys what you can do with this app, because there's not a lot of people that use this application. And I feel that it's such a great app that, everyone should be using it if you have a Mac. So let's dive right into it. First off, this is the website right here actually. Now here at this website is where you can actually download a lot of the extensions for that application called PopClip. Now let me show you. I'm gonna slide this over to the side here. PopClip sits up top in your menu bar, and if you look here under my extensions, well, my actions, you'll see that I actually have a bunch of actions that I've already added that I like to use every day. So for instance, with the first one, we have open link, search, cut, copy, paste, reveal in Finder, use address, dictionary, notes, Facebook, tweet, messages, reading lists, open in Safari, open in Chrome, open in Firefox, and say. Now let's dive deep down into it and let me show you how it works. So if I just select some text on a web page like so, I can copy, I can add that to my notes, Facebook. So let's do a Facebook, there we go. Just post it right to Facebook. Again, same thing for Twitter, like so, we can send. So that's just one of the things we can do. We can also copy. Now let me open up my text edit here. Just click once and then I will paste, just like so. No keyboard at all. If you notice, I do not have my hands on my keyboard right now. You can probably hear my hands clicking away at my magic mouse here, but that's the only thing you need with PopClip. Just your mouse. That's it, or a magic trackpad. Nothing else. So I'm just going to leave this here. Now that will work also in text edit as well. If you select the text, you can do the same thing. Now let's go back to PopClip. Let's say if we wanted to add on some more extensions. Now we already have messages and reading lists. Oh, let me do the reading list. If you wanted to do your reading list, you just select the URL and then you will have more actions inside PopClip. So you'll notice if you come down here on the field, well, inside the field, as far as like on the main web page, if you select the text like so, PopClip would only give you the actions that you can use for inside that web page. But if you come up here to the URL and you select that, you'll then have more actions. So let's add that to my reading list like so. Checkbox. Now Safari just opened up and let's go to the reading list. There we go. PopClip extensions like so. Close down Safari. Now let's try something else. Let's also select the URL again, but this time we're going to go to Firefox. So let's open it up in Firefox. Firefox will then open up. There we go. So we close down Google Chrome. Now let's try it again. We're going to select it this time, but this time we're going to open it up, I guess in Google Chrome. I'm just showing you guys how it works. So now let's close down Firefox. And there we go. That is some cool things that you can do with PopClip. Let me close this down. Now you'll notice when you go back to PopClip, if you just check here, you'll see that you have a bunch of boxes that's already checked. These are the actions that you're currently using for PopClip. And if you don't want to use it, just uncheck it like so. But in this case, I'm gonna leave those checked. Now let's add more. Choose the little plus symbol there. It will then take you to its website where you can download more actions. So let's see, delete the selected text. Let's download that. Let's check that out. It will show me where that file is going to download, which is the downloads folder. That's fine. Save. Let's download one more. Make the selected text all lowercase. That's pretty cool. We'll download that as well. Save. And again, this is so fast and smooth. You just select the ones you want, and as you see, they're downloading right away to my dock here. So I'm going to then click on those like so. PopClip just let me know that it just added the lowercase. Now let's click that one. Okay, let me know again. There we go. Delete. it's already checked. So PopClip will then check it for you as you click on, open. So that's it. Now let's just come over here to text edit and let's see what we can do. So we're going to select that first word. Now it should ask me, okay, here we go right here. Lowercase. It's already lowercase. So in this case, I'm going to select this word, which is make. Now let's try that again. And it just made everything lowercase. Well, as far as the first letter for that word, which is awesome. So let's try something else. We're going to select everything. And where is the delete? Okay, there we go. Now we actually have cut and delete. Okay, that's pretty cool. And that's how you can add on actions through PopClip. And if you're tired of using those actions, you just simply select the one you don't want, like so, or to just completely delete it. Click on that button and then choose the red X, like so. And when you're done with that, choose done. Now say, we also have another feature, but for this, I'm gonna have to take my headphones out of my Mac here for a second so I can show you how this feature works. Okay, now we're gonna select this text here, like so, and we have
open Google Translate in the web browser with the selected text,
which is pretty cool. Now normally I use a command for that to get my Mac to speak to me, but now with PopClip I can just select the text and just choose the word say, or the button that says say,
browser with
like
the
so.
selected text.
So like I said, I done a review on this application a while ago, but it was so long ago and I didn't go over everything that you can do with PopClip. So that's why I'm making this video now for you guys. And you can actually come over to the website. I'll put a link down below in the description and you can check out the features on this page for yourself. And I mean, if you stroll down, you'll see that they have stuff for, you know what, let me go to the top. We have text editing. We have everything, notes, to-do apps, social networking, other apps. I mean, everything. We have stuff for music. So something else I just added not too long ago was, where is it at? Reminders. That's it. Yeah. I added one for reminders and for my notes. And you can basically select the text like so. And then if I just click on reminders, it will then add it to my reminders or whatever, or my notes. Do I still have it? Let me see, because I don't see it. Reminders. So you know what? I'm sorry, I deleted that one. But we still have notes, which is right there. So if I just click add to notes, my notes will then open up like so, and then I can add it to my notes like so. So again, this application is great. And ever since I've started using this application, I find myself to just keep my hands off of my keyboard and mostly on my mouse, because you can perform a lot of different commands that you would normally use your keyboard for by just a basic click with your mouse. So this is your man, Big B Productions 100. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. I'll let you.